Alright guys, we're going to do something, I would say a little different, but we've done it before. We're kind of on a mission, but let me show you where I'm at, and this is something they just put in recently. I'm calling it Brett Nature Area?
Natural area.
Oh, it's natural, look like nature. I've done a couple videos from this trail before. Now, it's not a long trail. Our mission is not so much to trail this time as it is we're going back to the wetlands. Now, you're not allowed fishing back here, but back last year, about this time last year, when we first found this place, when they first put the trails in, it was a lot of grass carp back through here. And I'm just curious, just in case maybe they changed the rules and you're allowed to fish back here, we're going back and check this out. And we're taking you with us. Okay, you see me kind of like veer off in some of the shots I did and showed a trail, a brand new trail into progress. Let me explain what's going on. This all belongs to For Sale State Park, and we read that they're going to put a new trail in here. We just didn't know where. Well, guess what? We found it. It's not finished yet. I don't even know if you could get on it. Although I'm probably going to try, so will his compass. But let me tell you what's going on real quick. Whew. Don't know when this happened, but I pulled my back out a little bit. Now, what's that mean exactly? Well, even though I'm on a trail, it's not a hard trail. It's an easy trail. It's maybe at the most 2 miles, if that. So it's not really a big deal. It's not going up and down hills. Now, I still do my walks every morning, even though I'm in pain when I do it. So what's this mean right now? We're going to do a lot of other adventures till my back gets fully healed, because I got a vacation coming up. Oh boy, do I ever. And I need to be 100% top shape. And even though my back's pulled, it still ain't going to stop my walking in the morning. My walking I do, you know, around circles. And I'm still going to do small trails if I can find them. But, my God, look at the beauty. Yeah. Actually, this wasn't planned today, guys. What we're doing right now was not planned. Okay, we actually were fishing tonight. We was just fishing no more than, what, an hour ago? And we're like, you know what? Let's, I'm curious. We weren't doing so well on fishing this evening or this afternoon. I'm curious. Let's go over to that new trail. See, this trail's new too. They just put this in here last year. Let's go over there where the wetlands are and see how deep it is. Because last time we was here was the start of our last vacation, and it was pretty bad. It was, I mean, the water was up to the deck and everything, which you're going to see in a minute. And I know it's loaded with grass carp. I'd give you anything to let me fish here. But you know, if we did fish here, we got to bring that wagon all the way back here. That means we're going to walk over a mile with the wagon. I think it'd be worth it. Don't you guys? Okay, guys, the next shots we will be looking at the wetlands and checking out and see if we could just see if maybe we could pick up some grass carp. I wish I would have brought my other GoPro. We could have dipped it in the water. Now this little pond, lake, I'm not sure what you want to call it, is absolutely loaded with grass carp. I know this for a fact because the first time we came here, we seen them everywhere. Now I did see a small carp taking off. I tried to chase it down with the GoPro, but no, couldn't catch it. By us being on the deck, like we are right now, must have scared it away. But yeah, I pulled my back out, man. It was a little rough getting up here. My back is very sore. And I do my walks every morning, which I made a video about that. Me with a heart condition, I have to do walks every day. So it isn't just a hiking thing I do the walks for my heart. And I'm able to do them with pain. It's just the trail's a little different. Looks like they're putting quite a few of the trails in up here. That means that we're going to be coming back soon and hitting these trails. We knew they was going to put trails in, but we didn't know where, but now we do. But yeah, I don't really want to hit a long trail whenever my back is giving me issues like it is, because if it actually goes out completely, which it has done, I don't want to be stranded, you know? I don't want to be miles away from the car. See, when I do my circle walks of the morning, my car is always nearby as I walk in big, huge, gigantic circles. And like here, my back felt well enough to come on this trail. So that's why I'm doing it now. But wow, look at the beauty. Holy. What, dear?
Cattails.
Cattails, yeah. But my God, you can't deny this beauty, guys. Even though the big highway's over yonder, about a half a mile that way, and we still can hear the cars in the distance. Being out here, smelling this fresh air and this beauty all nearby, it's got healing to it, guys. I'm here to tell you, it heals the mind, the heart, and your soul. I can't preach this enough to you guys. I can't. If you are able, by any chance, able to get out and hike, do so. And by some chance, you know me personally, because I just found out recently, a good friend of my daughter's father watches me. And if you are the gentleman watching me right now, so I'm going to say thumbs up. Thanks for watching. But if you guys know me personally, come hike with Angie and I. Of course, this is compass when we're on the trail. Hike with us. You know? Give yourself back over to God's beauty, man. I get so pumped. See, you know, I got a confession. Let's get a little bit further down on the trail, and I may have a confession. Okay, my confession is, sorry, we're actually taking a different trail back to the car. My confession is, it's a slight possibility I love doing the trails. Maybe that much more than I do fishing. It's true. Now, I love fishing, don't get me wrong. Oh my God, I still love fishing. Still my favorite thing to do, but the trails, I get a little bit more out of the trails. Now, what's that mean if I go fishing and start catching large carp? Just have a carp type of fishing day? If you guys know me, I love catching carp. Will that change my opinion? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. But it's just something about the trails, and I said it once, I say it 100 more times. Being out here in nature is magical. Very true, my friends. I'm a 55-year-old man with a dang heart condition. And if this is what it takes to make me feel more alive, and compass too, then so be it, man. So freaking be it. Oh yeah, and like I said, we wasn't going to even take a trail today. I wasn't even going to pick up the camera. The cameras go everywhere with me, just so you know. We went fishing. We had some bites. We caught a few small fish. And on the way home, I was like, you know what? Remember that other trail on the other side of Versailles State Park? I want to go back there, even though my back's shot, but I think I can handle it. I want to go back there and see if I can see some grass carp. But guess what? We didn't see none, did we? Okay, they got a bunch of small pea gravel here, and I'm thinking that's what they're going to put on the new trail. They also have these big rolls of, I want to call it tarps, but I don't know if that's it. It's the padding that will go down first, and they put the pea gravel on it. And by the way, the deck I was on, I said it the last time in my video, that was all done by volunteers. I would imagine all the work they're doing now with the trails, getting new trails, is all done by volunteers too. Oh yeah, it's freaking awesome. But guys, I went to go see if there was grass carp back there, and I couldn't see anywhere where it said we could fish or not. I know back when we first hit this thing last year about this time, it was not allowed fishing there. No. And that's when the trail we was just on, when we first started the video, that was all put in last year at this time. But yeah, we weren't allowed fishing then, so I doubt if we're allowed fishing now. But guys, that's it, man. So the next couple videos may be fishing, or whatever else I can pull out of my hat. But my vacation's coming up soon. Oh yeah, it's coming up very soon. And we got plans out the boku. But until next time, guys, and to our next adventure, thanks for watching. And come on, let's get out of here. It means more to me than I can ever say when you guys watch my videos. We'll see you next time.